Harley-Davidson has long been the backbone of law enforcement fleets across the United States, and for 2026, the legendary brand elevates that legacy with the Police Road Glide. More than just a motorcycle, this machine represents authority, reliability, and performance on two wheels. Designed for officers who demand both comfort and power during long patrol hours, the 2026 Police Road Glide is built to perform under pressure, day or night, in city streets or open highways. Design and presence. The 2026 Harley-Davidson Police Road Glide carries a commanding presence. Its unmistakable shark-nose fairing, dual LED headlamps, and aerodynamic lines give it a sleek yet intimidating look that instantly communicates authority. The bike is available in classic law enforcement color schemes, predominantly vivid black and birch white, with customizable police graphics and badge options. Its frame-mounted fairing improves stability, especially at higher speeds or in crosswinds, making it ideal for patrols on highways. Integrated crash bars, auxiliary lighting, and durable saddlebags complete the package, offering both style and practicality. Every design cue is functional, made to support police operations while maintaining Harley's signature muscle bike attitude. Engine and performance. At the heart of the 2026 Police Road Glide lies the Milwaukee-Eight 117V twin engine, the same powerhouse used in Harley's premium touring lineup. This engine delivers smooth acceleration, effortless torque, and unmistakable Harley rumble. Producing around 105 horsepower and 126 lb-ft of torque, it ensures quick response during pursuits or emergency maneuvers. The 6-speed transmission offers flexibility for different terrains, while the refined cooling system keeps performance consistent, even during long hours of idling in traffic or hot weather conditions. Harley-Davidson's engineers have fine-tuned the throttle response for better control, giving officers confidence whether cruising or engaging in rapid response. Comfort and ergonomics. Long shifts demand comfort, and the 2026 Police Road Glide delivers it in spades. The redesigned seat provides enhanced lumbar support and balanced weight distribution for reduced fatigue. Its floorboards and handlebar placement allow a natural riding position, accommodating riders of all sizes. The advanced boom box GTS infotainment system, with integrated navigation and communication features, keeps officers connected and informed on patrol. The system can be linked to law enforcement radio equipment for real-time dispatch updates and coordination. Harley's suspension system, featuring premium rear shocks and front Showa forks, ensures a smooth ride, even on uneven urban roads. Technology and safety. Modern policing requires advanced safety technology, and Harley delivers just that. The Reflex Defensive Rider System, RDRS, enhances control through cornering ABS, traction control, drag torque slip control, and linked braking. These features ensure the bike remains stable during high-stress moments, especially in wet or unpredictable road conditions. The bike also features Daymaker adaptive LED headlights, ensuring maximum visibility during night patrols or emergency situations. Integrated strobe lights and siren systems come factory-fitted, allowing for quick activation during response calls. A dedicated police electrical system ensures reliable power management for additional equipment such as radar units or communication gear. Durability and maintenance. Built for daily use, the 2026 Police Road Glide emphasizes durability and low maintenance. Its belt-driven system minimizes upkeep compared to chain-driven alternatives, and its heavy-duty alternator supports extensive electrical accessories without compromising performance. Harley-Davidson also offers specialized maintenance programs for police departments, ensuring quick servicing and part replacements. The cooling system, upgraded brakes, and reinforced clutch components make it capable of enduring demanding conditions. This isn't just a motorcycle, it's a trusted partner for officers on duty. Real-world utility. The Police Road Glide's blend of agility and stability makes it suitable for both urban enforcement and highway patrol. Its large saddlebags provide ample space for essential gear, while the bike's balanced chassis allows precise control during escort duties, parades, or rapid response events. Officers have reported smoother handling, better fuel efficiency, and lower vibration compared to previous models. Whether it's leading a convoy or navigating through congested streets, this Harley stands as a symbol of confidence and command. Final thoughts. The 2026 Harley-Davidson Police Road Glide is not just an upgrade, it's a statement. It showcases Harley's ongoing commitment to serving those who protect and serve. With unmatched power, refined comfort, advanced safety systems, and an unmistakable aura of authority, this motorcycle continues to define what it means to ride with purpose. For law enforcement agencies and motorcycle enthusiasts alike, the Police Road Glide represents the perfect combination of heritage, technology, and performance, crafted to lead from the front, mile after mile. This is Pro Wheelhouse, where passion meets performance.